Magnolia offers 3 apps for authoring content. The Pages app is designed for building complete web pages. The Stories app for quickly producing free-form content without any page hierarchy constraints. And finally, there's the Visual SPA editor that gives you full layout control and a what you see is what you get interface, even in a headless system. Let's have a look at the Pages app first. We create a new page, give it a name, pick a template, and complete the page properties. We use areas to group content, typically a header area, a main area for the actual content, and a footer. You can define different navigation areas for different devices, like desktop or mobile. The areas with green bars are the ones that can be edited. Let's add some images to our article. To rearrange content components, grab the green toolbar and drag it to a new spot. Click on Preview to see how your published web page will look like on desktop, or switch the preview mode to suppose other devices, like phones, tablets, or other touchpoints you define. The Magnolia Stories app is designed for producing free-form content, which can then be published to different destinations, from a web page to a mobile app, or as an article for an online newspaper. At the top, there are boxes for a title and the lead text. Then there's the free-form content area, ready to be populated with content blocks. Each of those blocks has some basic formatting options. We can link to external websites as well as other content within Magnolia, such as assets and pages. And there are other types of content blocks you can choose from. Let's add an image to go in between 2 sections of copy. We can now publish the story straight out of the editor, something that comes in handy in newsrooms and other time-critical scenarios. Here's the published story. There's the title and the lead visual, the outline and meta information. There's the headline images that we added. Single-page applications enable us to create richer and more dynamic experiences. However, in a headless system, editors often can't see or control how their content will look like. That's why we created the Visual SPA editor. It lets you use the Pages app in a headless scenario, while offering full editorial and creative control. It gives authors a visual what you see is what you get experience. Check out this example. It's a modern dynamic website. It loads really fast. Authors get a high-fidelity preview, know exactly where their content appears, and have complete control over the entire experience. They can choose which components they want and exactly where they go. These are the 3 main approaches to content editing in Magnolia, to fit any system design you choose.